The first electric dream ferry, named Penguin Refresh, has been operating since January 2024. Along with 2 other ferries, they have performed over 10,000 round trips and carried over 1 million passengers. The technology behind the electric dream ferries reduces approximately 2,000 tons of marine gas oil, MGO, and 6,000 tons of CO2 each year, resulting in significant energy savings.
As an OEM, we often must work according to the requirements of specifications. For the Electric Dream project, there was no specification, only a clear goal. By the given trust of Penguin and the partners in the team, Danfoss could fill in the scope for power conversion to the best of our solutions. Of course, these projects come with a higher responsibility and having to put in something extra. Working with multidisciplinary industry pioneers is an amazing experience, and it showed us how to rethink everything.
When we were starting out, Danfoss was foremost on our minds because we recognized their proven capabilities in AC and DC infrastructure for marine applications. Along the way, we also grew to appreciate their objective advice, which was centered on the interests of the projects and not their own bottom line. Danfoss did not make us think, here's the equipment we have to sell, let's make your project suit our needs and not yours. Instead, together we flipped things around and said, here are the project's goals, let's together develop what we need to reach those goals. The Danfoss team certainly came through in a big way with equipment and solutions that suited our project's unique requirements. And that's how we ended up with fully functional all-electric ferries and rapid shore chargers that exceeded our end clients' needs in every way.
3 years ago, we were just a small Singapore startup. And unlike traditional vessels, there was no benchmark for creating anything like this in terms of electrifying a passenger ferry service. We believe the success of the Electric Dream project was the collective drive of the partners involved. We knew doing something on this scale was risky. Take, for example, all the efforts worldwide to electrify marine transport and the challenges faced. It's not easy. But through our extensive expertise in modeling and simulations, we were able to significantly reduce risk, overcome technical challenges, and most importantly, give the project partners confidence that this will work. Together with Penguin, Danfoss, and GEMA, we turned a complex vision into what is now the benchmark, not just in Singapore, but on a global scale.
We joined the system development team of Penguin, Danfoss, and Razor Blunt during the tender stages for the ferry service to Pulau Bukom. Together we agreed a fully electric solution was feasible, and over the next half year ironed out the details for the vessels and the shore-based charging infrastructure. When the client awarded the contract to Penguin, the collaboration really took off. Penguin jumped in the deep, Razor Blunt Labs gave them the confidence, Danfoss provided the technology, and GEMA weaved it all together. The Electric Dream, we're proud to have contributed to this groundbreaking project.
As the IMO demands for 50% reduction in emissions by 2050, electrification is pivotal in decarbonizing the marine industry. This is the future.